Hi folks, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today, believe it or not, we got another Jaguar. And let's have a look at the job for today then. So, yeah, you can see again, look, little cracks here, look. So more or less a sort of a cosmetic job today. But the steering wheel is quite bad. Can you see all this, look? What happens when the top coat comes off? It goes into the colour. If you follow us regularly, you'll know this already. So we need to sand this all back, smooth it down. A lot of filler down here, look there, it's quite damaged there. This old steering wheels tend to happen like this. And then the seats are pretty bad as well. Look, if you have a look, it's going to take a lot of work on these. And you can see this here as well. Look, it looks like there's a piece of leather missing. So we need to fill this and then repaint this and then put a finish on. Everything should match. And there's a few little bits and bats here as well, look. Okay, so we'll go around the other side. Centre consoles to be done as well. And again, door cards, not too bad, but collar and cuffs, get them both done together. Again, this seat's not too bad. If you can see, a lot of sunshine today actually. And you can see the centre console, look. So quite a lot of sort of prep filler work to do here, but we'll get this looking pretty good and should be fine. So after video coming soon, folks. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, 07904 640 389, all the W's, mobileletherrepairs.co.uk. After video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi folks, it's Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this job now on this Jaguar. And I'll say it again, boy oh boy, but have a look at the results. Look at that. It's a very sunny day today, but you can see the difference there. And do you remember how bad that steering wheel was? Look at that. Absolutely bang on. And look at the seats. Do you remember? These were really bad. So we've filled all these cracks everywhere. The bolster that was really bad, yeah, is a lot better now. You'll never get these perfect. And to be fair, you know, because we use like a colourant that's flexible, yeah, they're going to be fine. Sitting up and down on this, absolutely fine, no problem at all. Okay, so let's just go over here, pan away, you can see. There you go, looking absolutely fantastic. Let's go around the other side. And you can see straight away, look, do you remember that console that was really bad? Look at that. Nicely filled, nicely airbrushed. JD. So let's have a look at this. See, this is basically like a new seat now, look. It wasn't that bad, but as we always say, you know, always get the two done. Match up nice. If you care about the car, always get the two done, folks. Alright, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileletherrepairs.co.uk. If you want to book us, 07904 640 389, and bye for now, folks.